Hello everybody, hope you all are doing good. Today I have come with the recipe of misal pav. It's one of the favorite food of Maharashtra. So let's have a look at the recipe.
Misal pav is one of the most popular spicy dish of Maharashtra and it is mostly eaten for breakfast. Misal pav is it's a curry made from matki or watane or mung beans. Here I have made it out of a mixture of matki and mung beans, and I have soaked it the previous day and sprouted it. Also I have steamed the matki and mung beans a little. You can also cook it if that is a requirement. Some people like it steamed, but it's better to steam it as cooking will make it lose its nutrients. I've also added a boiled potato to the beans. Let's see the ingredients: garlic, chopped onions, green chili, dry coconut, and coriander leaves. The dry coconut, coriander leaves, and green chili has to be made it in a paste. If you don't have dry coconut, we can also add fresh coconut, piece of fresh coconut. So let's start cooking. We have poured oil in the pan and put in some jeera. Once the jeera is toasted, we can add in the garlic and the onions and fry them till the onions turn into a pinkish color. Just we can continue frying. Also we'll add in a little bit of salt so that the onion releases the water in it. I have added the salt also and waiting for the onion to get cooked properly, or rather become soft. The masala that I use is generally a store bought one, not a homemade one, as I find it a little difficult because since we are not Maharashtrians, it is a little difficult to make at home, but this is a store bought one. The onions have turned pinkish to light brown color. Now we can add in the masala, the green chili, coriander, and the dry coconut. I usually use the fresh coconut because always the dry coconut is not available. So today, because it was available, I use the dry coconut, and I've put in the masala and just fry it a little till it is done, fried well. The onion and the masala is well sauteed. Now we have cut the 2 tomatoes, so we can put the this is one of the famous Maharashtrian breakfast recipe, and even we enjoy it now as we are in Maharashtra for a long time. It's very nutritious with all the sprouted beans and other pulses, like you can use matki, batane, etc. And it gives a very nice taste. Also, it fills up the stomach and many of my friends have tried the same recipes and they have loved it. So everyone must try this once. It's quite easy to make. I generally use the masala which is Savai Misal Rasa masala, which I get from Amazon. So and that is what I purchase, and I use this masala. It's a Kolhapuri Misal Rasa masala. Let's put in the masala. Depending on the spice level you require, you need to put in maybe 3 or 4 spoons of this, because there's a lot of water that is going to be added. So you can put in 4 to 5 spoons of this masala. It will taste really good. Next, we then add a cube of jaggery. So any jaggery, which whatever you have at home. So that gives a very nice taste. So I'm adding a cube of jaggery, then mixing it with the masala, and then I go on to add the usal. Now usal is the sprouted beans cooked is called as a usal, and when it is added with a masala and topped with all your onions and your save or your farsan, then it is called as misal. Mixed up the masalas and everything, and now I'll be adding more water. Misal is one way you can add more water and more masala, the masala powder, and it will taste very delicious. See, I have added in more of masala and more water, trying to make it very watery, as the water is what tastes the best. Let it boil for some time and your misal is ready. Look how my son is enjoying it, and he says it's very yummy. When you have your misal pav, it is usually topped with farsan or save and onions chopped into small pieces, and you usually squeeze in the lemon onto it and then have it along with the bread. It really tastes very nice. Hope all of you will try it out.